welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, I'm gonna create a makeup look for this coming Valentine's Day. I actually ended with this look, this soft glam pink eye makeup look. So if you wanna know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so may mga bagong products din tayo itatry today, and I'm gonna start with this Lumi Layer Primer from VDL. I got this from YesStyle, dun sa advent calendar nila. And ito yung itsura niya. Pakita ko sa inyo ulit. Anyways, I'm gonna create a separate review video of this primer later. So, ganitong amount na yung aking kukunin. And then, another new products na gagamitin natin today is this BB Face Cream from Daiso. And this is 9 dirhams and 50 fills. So, yan, ito yung tsura niya. This is in the shade Ochre. Tama ba ko yung pronunciation na? Okay, so gawin ko muna yung aking eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this shimmy vogner eyebrow pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna use this concealer as my eyeshadow base. This is from Essence. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with this Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And then I'm gonna contour my face with this Shimmy Vogue contour palette. Okay, so I'm just applying a white eyeliner on my lid, just a little bit, so that the pink eyeshadow will pop up later, or it will become more look bright. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this I Heart Revolution Heartbeats palette, and I'm gonna take this pink shade. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade Fluster, this, and just to blend the edges of that pink eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade Heartache and apply it in the outer corner of my eyes, just a little bit, just to give definition on my eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade Romantic and apply it in the middle of my lid. Okay, so to tighten my lash line, I'm gonna use this black pencil from Essence. I'm gonna use this also waterproof liquid eyeliner from Daiso also. Okay, so now for my mascara, I'll be using this Long Lash Line Long Lash Mascara from Vllo. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back with this palette and I'm gonna take this shade and apply it in the lower lash line of my eyes. I'm gonna apply a mascara sa lower lash line. Okay, so while waiting for my mascara to dry up, para may lagay ko na yung aking falsies, I'm gonna apply some blush on. And I'm gonna take this red blush on from this Eye Multi-Cube. This is also from Yes Style. And I'm gonna use this smaller brush. Okay guys, so naglagay lang ako ng aking falsies of cam, and for my highlighter, I'll be using this luminous multi-highlighter from the Sign. I got, tama ba akong pronunciation? Sign. I got this from Yes Style. And then I'm gonna apply also some of this sa aking inner corner. Okay, so going back to the palette, I'm gonna take a little bit of this pink shade and apply it sa lower lash line. Okay, so before I apply my lipstick, I'm gonna spray some makeup setting spray from Lux Organic. This is the Beauty Mist by Ann Clothes. For my lipstick, I'll be using this Essence na Color Boost Mad About Matte. So, this is the final look, guys. And sana nagustuhan itong makeup look na na-create ko. And if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!